Hi everyone. Uh, right on the board I have a question from Earth Geometry. Alright. So this one came in 2022, paper 2. Okay. So the question says the diagram shows the points P, which is right here, is given by the coordinates 20 degrees north and 80 degrees east. And the point Q, which is here, given by 40 degrees south and 80 degrees east here, right? Then the other point is R here, given by the coordinates 40 degrees south, okay, and 30 degrees east, right? On the surface of the earth, taking pi to be 3.142 and radius of the earth to be 6,270 kilometers, okay? So this finds the difference in longitude between points R and Q, 2 marks. Secondly, they're asking us to calculate the distance. Distance PQ. Where is PQ? P and Q in kilometers, 2 marks. Sweet. Thirdly, we have to find the length of the circle of latitude 40 degrees south in kilometers. Very simple. This is what we're going to do. Okay? So, this is going to give us something like. Okay, so the first one, going to say solution. Okay, so one, difference in longitude. So longitude we're here. Okay, RQ. RQ. So I have this longitude and this one. Now the difference between the two. So what do we consider? We consider the points 30 and 80 degrees east. They are the longitudes that we have. So that one is going to be difference in longitude is equal to 80 degrees east minus they're in the same direction. They are all in the same direction, eastern direction. So it subtracts when they are in the same direction. So it's going to be 80 minus 30 degrees east. So that you get the difference of 50 degrees. Right? Secondly, we're here. Calculate the distance in kilometers PQ. So if you look at PQ here, this is the great circle. Alright? Great circles. So what do? We know that the distance in a great circle is given by pi, alright, over 360 degrees times 2 by r. Okay? We know the radius we've been given, the radius of the earth. So this is going to be, what is the angle here? Okay? The angle here, we're considering this angle here. So we have 20 and 40. So the angle there, when you add the two, since they're the different hemispheres, so we're going to have something like 20 plus 40 degrees over 360 degrees times 2 pi. We know the value of pi, 3.142, radius 6,370 kilometers. Alright, so this is going to give us something like 60 over 360 times 2 times 5 times the radius. Alright, so when you punch on your calculator, you're going to get your final answer. Okay, now you report that one. First, you write it the way it is, the way it's going to come out on your calculator. Then, secondly, you just write it to 2 decimal places, right, or 3 significant figures. Okay, now let's find the length of a circle of latitude at 40. Right? How are we going to do that one? So the length of latitude of a circle So if they say length of a circle, they mean the circumference. And we all know that circumference is given by 2 pi r. Not so? Now this is a small circle. Okay? This is a small circle. Okay, so what do? We don't know the value of r, but we know that we know the value of what? The big r, big circle, which is a big circle. And the radius of that one is the radius of the A. So here we're going to say 2 pi r. Here we're going to use the big R cos theta. Okay? So we're going to use this formula here to find that answer. So we're going to have 2 pi will be given, then the radius we already know it, because we are right at 40 degrees. So we put 40 degrees. Then when you punch on your calc, you're going to get your answer here. Right. So this is all about this question. You're getting a 2, 2, 2, so that's 6 marks. So paper 2, this topic, just prepare that you're going to get 6 marks. You can't manage to lose all those marks. Okay, it's something you can't avoid. Now, additionally, I want to just clarify on this one. Okay, so if you want to find, say, a portion RQ, you discover this one is along the what? The small circle. Okay, these are latitudes. So what do? The formula is going to be something like circumference. Now it's a small circle. So say RQ there. You want to find RQ, which is the length of RQ. Okay, you're going to have something like this. Since it's just a small portion of the entire circle, this one, right? So it's going to be like a segment, a sector, I mean. So sectors, we know that it's going to be pi, but then we already have pi here. Okay, so what do? We're going to use a different symbol here. Say alpha over 360 degrees, because it's a portion of the circle, right? Times 2 pi r cos theta. So that this 2 and this 1 can actually cancel. So that you have something like this. Actually, alpha 180 degrees times pi r cos theta. Right. This.